Can you withdraw money from Spaces instantly? That's a question many people ask when considering using the feature for saving or budgeting. Let's delve into how withdrawals work with Spaces. Spaces, a feature offered by various platforms, are designed primarily for setting aside money for specific goals. While the intent is to encourage saving, the accessibility of those funds is certainly a key concern for users. The speed of withdrawal often depends on the specific bank or fintech platform providing the Spaces functionality. Some providers offer more seamless and quicker transfers back to your main account than others. In many cases, transferring money from a Space to your primary account with the same provider is often instant. Since the funds remain within the same banking system or platform, the movement of money is an internal transfer that happens immediately. This is usually the case when you need to quickly access your savings for an unexpected expense. However, if you then need to move that money from your main account to an external bank account, the standard transfer times apply. This typically means it can take 1 to 3 business days, depending on the banking system involved. It's important to differentiate between the internal transfer from the Space and the external transfer out of the platform. Always check the terms and conditions of your specific provider regarding withdrawal speeds and any potential limits or fees associated with moving money from your Spaces.